In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pull an inventory summary report. So there's mainly two reasons why you would need to pull a report like this. Reason number one would be that a customer is requested to receive an inventory summary report every day, every week, just to keep track of the amount of items that we have available on hand for them. Number two would be just like a general inquiry, like if you want to see how much of a certain item we have for a customer, because say we have a big order coming up and we need to make sure that we have enough on hand, you would pull an inventory summary report in order to find that data. So to pull the summary report, you're going to open up Monarch Remote Desktop, then you're going to open up PrintStream. And once you're in PrintStream, you're going to go to Inventory, then Inventory Reports at the bottom. And then once you're in Inventory Reports, up here under Balance Reports, there's an Inventory Summary Report. And so in the inventory type, it's going to be customer inventory. And say if we want to pull it, you can pull it for any specific date you want, but usually you're going to be using the date that you are currently on. So for example, it's July 24th, so we're going to pull the report for July 24th right now. And then in the selection, we're going to go customer, and we're going to search Atcor, their inventory locations, and summary. So all this down here is good to go, and you can sort it by something else, but I usually just sort it by none because I don't think it makes that big of a difference when you're analyzing the report. Then press preview, and so this report's going to come up, and this is a very long report. For example, this one's like 10 pages, and this is Atcor. So in order to actually break this down and analyze it, we're going to want to export it to an Excel file. Then once we export it to an Excel file, open it up, and then here's the actual report, just in Excel file format. So like the main columns that we're going to need here is the description right here, and this P code right here, because this will have the actual like product like label, and also like what it is, like a description of what it is. And also we're going to need the available on hand, which is right here. So this top part, I usually like to keep like the date, but other than that, you can delete everything else up at this top part. And then for example, you don't need the code column, you don't need the inventory code column, you don't need these two blank ones, you don't need the customer column, because we already know the customer because we just pulled the report for it. You don't need on hand, you don't need value, you don't need commit, you don't need on order, but you need available on hand, and you don't need the expiry. So this right here, say if you were just curious about what item, like the availability of a certain item, so you would just search by the item, and then you could see how much is available on hand currently in our warehouse. And that is how you pull a summary inventory report.